welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon in the Pokemon series, and I'm going to be doing POLIWAG. I think that POLIWAG is such a cute Pokemon. It's one of my favorite water Pokemons. So let's get started. Here for POLIWAG, I'm going to start with POLIWAG's head. So let's do a big round circle. So for you, you can have a very large circle or a very small circle depending on how big you want your POLIWAG to be. You can see mine is not perfectly round, and that's okay too. Next, we're going to do one of POLIWAG's eyes, and then we'll do a second one here as well. You can see it's not like a perfect circle, it's more of like an oval shape. Next, I'm going to do POLIWAG's mouth, so it's also a circle, and I'll do a small black circle or dot on the inside. Next, I'm going to do POLIWAG's pupil, and then a small circle in the inside, kind of give it a little bit of shine to the eye. So we're going to fill in the eye, but leave out some of that white space so that it will sparkle later. Next, we'll do POLIWAG's tummy. So from the mouth, I'll do a round curve that extends to the bottom of POLIWAG. Next, I'm going to work on POLIWAG's feet. So there's one and another one here. Of course, you can have his feet, one kicking up, one kicking down. It could be sitting. You can think about like different positions that he can be in. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm also going to do POLIWAG's tail. So the tail is actually a very large tail. I'm just doing kind of like the spine of the tail, and then doing a round, kind of almost like a leaf. An upside down leaf for the tail. Of course, POLIWAG has like this big round twirl in the middle of POLIWAG's tummy, so we're gonna do that as well. So let's do a big round curve, like a twirl down the middle. Isn't that fun? We're gonna do it again, just to make that line a little bit thicker. There you go, and there's the curve. So now we have POLIWAG coloring in the line there to make it a little bit thicker for the line, because I want that swirl to stand out. So here we have POLIWAG. I think we're almost done for the outline. We're gonna get to the coloring next. For POLIWAG, I want the pupils to be black, so I'm gonna color in black and leave the white space so the eyes will sparkle a little bit. So you can see I did two little circles inside the pupil and leaving that space white, making sure I color within those lines for the eyes and outline, and filling in any of the excess space. I think he's looking really cute so far. I'd love to know below if POLIWAG is one of your favorite water Pokemon, or is there another water Pokemon that you'll like? I'd love to hear so that I can consider drawing that for my next video, or if there's other cartoons that you'll like me to draw for future videos. So for now, I'm gonna start coloring. I have kind of this sunshine orange that I'm gonna color in for parts of POLIWAG's pupil, and also I'm going to use this pink color to color in POLIWAG's mouth. Of course, it's up to you if you would like to make POLIWAG a different color than what you normally see in the Pokemon series. For example, this one here, I'm gonna focus on a Poliwag that is a little bit more blue. Of course, you can, if your favorite color is purple, green, yellow, you can have different colors for your Poliwag as well. After you do this drawing, you can also rewind and watch this video again and do another Poliwag, which you can do in a different color, or you can do a whole family of Poliwags of brothers and sisters. I think that'll be really fun, like some big ones, some small ones. You can make it into a card that you can give to your friend as well, whether you can leave a small message on the side to say, hope you're having a good day, or happy birthday, or get well soon. And those are just some ideas of how you can utilize your drawing. So here, just using my blue marker to color in any of the white space that's left over, and then coloring in the tail as well. You can see that for my drawing, it looks okay so far, and it's perfectly fine that your drawing doesn't look exactly like mine. And that's perfectly normal, because not every drawing has to be exactly the same. It's actually really cool that we all draw things and it comes out a little bit different, a little bit more unique. So it's perfectly fine that your drawing could be a little bit different. Maybe your Poliwag's a little bit rounder, a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit thinner. So there's supposed to be different versions of Poliwag, just like how every single person looks a little bit different, and we don't all look the same, and that's perfectly fine. For drawing, it does take a number of practices before you get things perfect, and maybe it will never become perfect, and that's fine. For me to get to the level I am when I'm drawing now, it takes a lot of practice. So it's not something that I just started drawing well overnight. So if you are interested in drawing and you love drawing and you want to get better over time, just keep practicing. And over time, you will get better. And one of the things I would recommend for your drawing is to make sure that you write your name on it and also write the date on it, so that a few months from now, a few weeks from now, you can look back and say, hey, I drew this a couple of weeks ago, and look at it now. I can do such a better job at it. And you can see how you progress over the years. I think that's one of the really fun parts, to see and reflect back and how you've gotten better even without knowing it. So here is my Poliwag. I've colored in the tail gray, but of course you can do different colors as you see fit. But that's basically it for the drawing for today, for this beautiful, cute Poliwag from the Pokemon series. Thank you so much for joining me on this video for drawing a different Pokemon from the series every single drawing. I'll see you next time in another video. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.